Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me. I want to talk about being single on Valentine's Day and what that looks like. So here are some tips. So Valentine's Day doesn't mean it cannot be fun. Valentine's Day is not just about chocolates and dating and roses. It's about love and loving yourself. It's about celebrating the love relationships you have in your life. Some ways you can show yourself some love for Valentine's Day is pamper yourself. Get your hair done. Get your manicure, pedicure. Get out there and do a spa day. Just take care of yourself. Love on yourself. Step 2, you got to be your own best friend. Love yourself. Get out, go to the movies, isolate yourself. Isolating yourself can be very depressing. Get together with some friends and people you care about. If you don't love yourself, if you don't love your own company, who else is going to love being around you? Step 3, treat yourself to something nice. Go out, buy yourself something that makes you feel happy, like jewelry. Buy yourself some roses, buy yourself a new pair of shoes, just something, anything. Buy yourself chocolates if that's going to make you feel happy. Do things that you treat yourself, make yourself feel good. Don't expect somebody else to do that for you. You get out there and you do it. Tip number 4. Go out with some of your friends and have fun. Have a vision board party about what you see your life being when you meet your significant other. Or if you want to be alone, what does that look like? Have a dance party, get some wine, order some food, just have some fun with your friends. Enjoy company with girlfriends who love and care about you and who value you. Do not go on social media on Valentine's Day. Seeing other people enjoying what you want will only get you down. Yes, you can be happy for others, but this will not take you in the direction of being happy. Stay off of social media. Practice gratitude. Think about all the things you can be grateful for and remind yourself that not having a partner is not the end of the world. Spend time thinking about the people you do have in your life who love and care about you. Women, just remember, this season of singleness is only for a time and it will pass. Enjoy the times you have in your life because you don't get to pass this bridge again. So enjoy singleness and then enjoy couplehood or whatever you want to achieve in life. Enjoy the journey. Because life is not a destination, it is a journey. So enjoy your journey of life. And while you're enjoying it, take someone along with you. Take friends, take family, and take yourself. Love on yourself and enjoy life. Thank you for listening and look forward to putting out other videos for you guys. If you liked it, subscribe, like, and follow me. Thank you. Bye.